Yes, looking like a hot mess today. Why? Because we're going to be reviewing the Maxiglide XP at that. Stay tuned. Hi, you guys, and welcome to All Things Her, where you get reviews, how-tos, and tips just for us women. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Maxiglide XP. Oh, you guys, so my hair is not looking like a hot mess for no reason. So the Maxiglide XP I have been eyeing on Facebook of all things. I usually don't trust Facebook, but I kept seeing testimonial videos, and I've seen all hair types from thick to medium to thin to, my culture where you got the kinky curly type of hair that's hard to get straightened like that. It takes like work. And for me, I'm gonna be honest, like my hair is thick, or either I'm too lazy, but I choose to go to the beautician. But that can be expensive because I go every 2 to 3 weeks to keep my hair straightened. And I want an alternative, something I can do myself and be proud of and save money along the way, because I'm all about them dollars. Holla. But the Maxiglide XP, I got it online off of Facebook ads, and it goes straight through to the actual website. Website's very professional looking, and they had a Maxiglide XP, and this one says it's for challenging hair. I don't know if you can see that because probably it's backwards, but it says for challenging hair, and it has 2 plates. It's supposed to be hydrating detangle styler. So, and it's made by Maximus. And apparently the history goes, it's been out for a while. And people I've seen in the comments on Facebook rave about this thing. And the only reason they weren't using it anymore or something is because their kids broke it or it got old or something like that. But this thing is like hot now. So on the back, it has a picture of the Maxiglide, and it says number 1 is interchangeable detangling plates. Number 2, controls steam burst technology. That's the thing that got me. It has water in it, so we'll see how that does on actual hair. Number 3, digital temperature controls. Number 4, protective styling ribs. Number 5, digital temperature display. Number 6, advanced steam pump. Number 7, non-slip rubber stand. Number 8, swivel cord. Number 9, a water tank. Number 10, nano ceramic tourmaline. And it has an auto shut off after 60 minutes. So hopefully you don't set it anywhere to set anything on fire within that 60 minutes. And then it says as a bonus, you have a flat plate inside. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna check that out. So supposedly it's a one-step styling and detangling with steam burst. It says the world's first multi-patented straightener and styler with multiple rows of precision pins to detangle and straighten in one step. One step, you guys. Combined with conditioning controlled steam burst technology, plus the ergonomic design with protective styling ribs and temperature control, nano ceramic tourmaline, making straightening and styling a breeze. I don't know. So I washed my hair today. That usually takes a long time because you got to comb through this bush, and I usually end up blow drying in sections, but today I let it air dry. A little different. It usually takes a while. My arm hurts, and I used to cry or be really frustrated, and by the time that I'm done, that I just said forget it, let me let somebody else do it. But let's just open this bad boy up. So it's like a magnetic opener, and when you open it, if I can get this done. And for you that are interested, this is a U.S. patent. It's made in the U.S. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Can you see it? Yay. I mean, it looks good. It's a little tight in this container, but we're going to get this out. Hopefully without hitting myself in the face. So just pull that out. So inside, it comes with basic instructions. It says stop, stop, stop. You must watch the instructional video before first use for quick, easy, and fabulous results at MaximusInternational.com. I'm not gonna lie, I did not watch the video. Good luck. So, but it has basic instructions here, and it shows you, you know, here. I'm too close, huh? You probably can't read it, but you know, I'm just showing you it's there. Next, looks like this is the bonus plate. I guess just in case it cracks, I don't know. But it's a bonus. It's here, right here. Put that to the side. And this bad booger is snug as a bug in here. Okay. It seems like it's good quality. Little grip here, kind of won't slide out of your hand. See, sometimes my curling irons slide out of my hand, or my flat irons slide out of my hand. It's like break my hand. Okay, so we got it out of the box, and I turned it on, but so I have to be very careful not to burn myself because I am very clumsy. But as you can see, you have your little water reservoir here that you can fill it with water. I use distilled water because I know that's probably the safest, although I did not see that in the instructions anywhere. I might have just skimmed past it, but distilled water is always the safest in my opinion. Here you have your power button. You have your down and up with the heat. And I'm thinking, you know, I opened this up and I thought it had retractable teeth, but the XP does not have retractable teeth. They're like permanent, but it looks like the other one that I've seen in the videos have the retractable. I mean, and that's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna be very picky, but here is the button that you would release your steam when you're doing the first pass through your hair. So I mean, that's it. I mean, told you I was clumsy. I almost dropped it. I mean, it's easy to hold. Plates are big. I could have got the smaller one, but you know what? It is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is section off my hair. This is a beast, and we're gonna do the first pass. Ooh, I know you hear those naps in my hair. Okay, so you see my hair, and you guys, I do not know the texture of my hair. So if anybody knows, let me know, because it gets very tightly curled here, like at the, you know, base of my hair, scalp, whatever. Then it has looser curl, and it goes into very loose curl. So if anybody knows my texture, drop a comment below, please, because I would love to know. So I'm just going to pull this back into a ponytail. And I did look at the video, so that'll be that I'll tell you guys correctly how to use it. So they want you to comb any kinks or tangles out. So the first pass is going to be with the steam. So they don't want you to clamp down either. So I'm just wondering, let's see. Let's do a smaller piece here, so maybe you can see a little bit better. Okay, so here we go. So the first pass is with steam, and then the second pass is going to be with the actual close down of the plates. So the first pass is to supposedly soften the hair. So here we go. Look at that. That was, wow. Okay, so that was without clamping down with the steam. Oh my God. Okay, so, and that wasn't even at the scalp, you guys. That, I mean, as you see right here. So trying to be careful with this. You don't want to steam while your hands are at the ridges because it can burn you. Or you don't want to use the steam at the scalp because it'll burn your scalp. Get the picture? It'll burn you. Okay, so the second pass is supposed to be the clamps. We're gonna do a quick pass. Oh God, that is fabulous. That was quick. In my hair. Okay, let's do a second round of this, okay? I want to see this again. Okay, so you see the difference between that hair and this hair, and you saw my bush before. So we're gonna do the steam pass. You hear the steam? Check that out. That's just the steam pass. All right, without steam the second time, get those kitchens. Quick pass. Sorry, got a little choked up. But you guys, look at this. I am exactly like those girls on Facebook doing those first time reviews. I'm just like, gee. Okay, so that was fast. I really feel it won't take me long to finish this. This is crazy. I might have found the freaking golden ticket for my hair. All right, one more. This is crazy. Crazy. Okay, here we go again. First pass is steam. Not closed all the way and down. Okay. Second pass without steam. Closer to the scalp. I can feel the teeth. Oh my goodness gracious. I am impressed. Okay. So you've seen this, and people are very skeptical, you guys. You don't want to see me straighten my whole hair. So I am going to finish my hair. Oh, check it out. Okay, check it out. Oh, you can't really see it, but you see my hair like moving. I mean, it's like free. And you guys, this is without putting any like previous moisture or oils or anything on my hair. This bad boy like softened my hair, moisturize it, and it looks like I put product on my hair. It looks good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish this and I'll be right back. All right, don't go anywhere. All right, you guys, I halfway spot check. Look at this. So this is halfway. Okay, so this is before, and this is after. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of it and get back with you guys. All right, bye. Okay, you guys, I am back. I am so done with my hair now. This bad boy is my new favorite toy. I mean, look at it. I mean, this is my first time using it, and I was able to get like good results. And look, shaky, shiny. What else can I say? So it took me about 20 minutes or a little at 20 minutes to get done. And there was times like, well, I would part my hair and forgot to like comb through it first. And let me tell you, these little pins will get stuck. So follow directions and part it, and then brush or comb all the way through, or else you get stuck with this. But for the most part, it was a great product. I have it all the way at 450 when I use it, but you may want to adjust it to see what is best for your hair. I don't want you to burn your hair out because it's too hot for you. I have thick hair, that's why I started there. I also thought like this little reservoir was going to, go empty in the middle of me doing my hair, but it didn't. It still has like plenty in there probably to do another head whenever I wash it again. The little grips kept it in place, so I did not my iron did not twitch on me, did not fall out of my hand. And the ergonomics, my hand was not cramping. Yeah, this is like perfect, dude. Some of those videos, they do like a bump curl or whatever. I did not try that because I wanted to see how straight it would get my ends, and it got it very straight. Next time I'll probably try the little swoop and see how it does curled. But you guys, I have no true cons about this. I mean, I thought I was gonna have an issue because when I bought it or ordered it online, I thought excuse me, I thought that it'll be the retractable pins, but that's no big deal. Their pins are there. They help work out those kinks. Yeah, this bad boy, totally tried. I am a true believer. There's no more scrolling past the Facebook ads like, oh, that's a crock of bull. But yeah, so you should try it. They have two types. This is the biggest plates. It's the Maxiglide XP, and I think there is a Maxiglide RP that you can try, and I think that one has the retractable pins, and it's like a red plate and probably smaller in width. So yeah, if you would like to try it, which I highly advise you do, just click the link down in the description. I'll place it there so you can take a look at their website and their different options, and perhaps get you one of your own, because baby, I will be using this from now on. Alrighty guys, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.